Mae'r Coedwig Genedlaethol i Gymru yn rhaglen sydd yn edrych i cydnabod pob math o wahanol coetir o fewn Cymru, o coetiroedd commersial i rhai sydd efo fwy o ffocws tuag at bioamrywiaeth. Ni edrych am pob math o coetir i dod yn rhan o'r rhaglen.
When we read about the National Forest, we could see that the sort of things that they were looking for as outputs from the forest, we seem to have them here. Things like connectivity, linking up with other woodlands, where you can see behind me here, there's 3 woodlands all connected together.
I think what's particularly special about the woodland here is that all the work that is done in the garden is done by people with additional needs with specialist support from our team. We have seen a significant increase in visitors since becoming part of the National Forest for Wales.
We're here in Porthkerry Park, which is about over 90 hectares of mixed parkland. So we've got woods, meadows, ponds, and we're really lucky to have the beach down at the front here. We've got about 84 hectares of woodland, mixed deciduous. We've got one patch of ancient woodland, which is a triple SI, and it includes some rare species such as purple Cromwell and the true service tree as well.
The woodlands of the Gregornog estate have recently joined the National Forest. They scored very well with all the outcomes, but particularly well with the connectivity outcome, where the woodlands are either fully cohesive or partially cohesive with each other. Also, the access, the site is serviced by a number of public rights of ways, which allows full public access into most areas of the grounds.
Wentwood is the largest ancient woodland in Wales. It's over 1,000 hectares. So our aims are to improve the quality of woodland, to restore woodland, to protect woodland, to involve people and the community wherever possible. We've got a lot of sites across Wales. We want to restore, we want to protect, we want to involve people in the woodlands, and being part of this bigger project means that we can attract more people to be involved and we can get more work done.